Want to lose weight without suffering through boring salads? Here's how. First up, swap your soda for sparkling water with a splash of lemon. It's refreshing and cuts down on those sneaky liquid calories. Next, power up your breakfast with protein. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a yummy smoothie. Protein keeps you full longer, so you're less tempted to snack. Speaking of snacks, ditch the chips and grab some crunchy veggies like carrots or bell peppers. Pair them with hummus for a satisfying, low-calorie treat. For lunch and dinner, go for the half-plate rule. Fill half your plate with veggies before adding your protein and carbs. This way, you're automatically cutting calories while still enjoying a full meal. And don't forget, drinking water before meals can help you eat less. It's a simple trick that works wonders. Outro. So there you have it. Easy food swaps and smart choices to help you lose weight fast. Give these hacks a try and watch those pounds melt away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.